O July talni lai thangjak brai salmariwa Komala Chorabo WDC PMK SY 2.0 project ni bisingte lukurogno abagjak mani fungni damchi jorabo abagna kok tongmani fiaba dipor khegei sharik sanja angei thangka haipano abagjak nasimang sanjani damdok tamma jorabo abagjakha Komala Chora amchio tongnai lukurogno fiaba amannai rok gobang kokno a kathangni slai kathisi manbai siu abahaino kok siljamung kasai faimani Komala Chorabo o kok siljamung tihi kok firuk mungrukha Dholai Zonal Chairman Premlal Molsom kok tumathumna ni buskango phai Dholai Zonal Chairman Premlal Molsom saikna rakha o July talni laithangjak buri salmaribo Komala Chora amchio tongnai lukurogno abagjak mani project ni engineer Joydeep Das Gupta ni naikol mungbai fiaba aro tongnai kabangkok borok rokno a kathei bagjakha abono nogoi jolijak baikha lukurok Zonal Chairman Premlal Molsom saikna rakha Fishery Department ni bukhaktei o a bagjak mani tei kok tongmani fungni damchi jorabo bagnani fiaba abo sharik sanja angei damdok jorabo se bagjak siu joraleri tongmani jarei a kathang tubui phaimarok thei thangjak baikha haini bagai taisa Fishery Department hayagaba atang bedekni faisingtei Komala Chora amcheo tongnai lukurokno tini July talni chisa salmari fa salo taisa lukurokno abagjakha botei bosaka o kok siljamung bo khanamani yagulo bo cheri naikha hnei cheri naimungni bisingtei bo sawi mankha Fisheries Department ni bukhaktei lerei rwmani jarei a rok thei thangbaikha haini bagai Komala Chora amcheo tongnai lukuro abusa kathei mannani nangkha haini bagai lukurokno taisa abusa bagna bagai bo kok salaikha tei aboni yagulo a bagjakha hnei sawi khna rakha Dholai Zonal Chairman Premlal Molsom
Japu media rono belai-belai khana hambai thangnai 4 July Sini kaisa project tongo BDC PMKSY 2.0 abongkha project Dholai BDC 2 aro chung distribution of fish fingerings jeti chini project ni abo entire chini Ambasa RD block bisingo duita village committee ni o project direct centrally o project chini aro implement khaijago abo through by agriculture Oke, aro chini watershed development teams rok tongo aro chini PI je Joydeep Das Gupta abo distribution kai puro kisi sa aro communication gap umhaingkha communication gap bolte a committee o chung tongo angkai president secretary chini abo bortoman Komala Chora village committee ni monitoring committee chairman Oke, abahai chung kaisa team khajak abo directly central ni hoite chungno watershed ba IWMP integrated watershed management project Komala Chora village committee by Komala Chora village committee o rijak a project by bibinno chung development khaimano like water related jemon agri pakka drain fishery check down fishery pond nini dragon fruit erpore nini apple bear mango Aptiro gila maju o project ti pararo implement khemano kongke thangnai 4 tarik July o abo je chini WDTM water set development team members ro aro chini including superintendent of agriculture abai related by inke kongke mahai ponang ke jung adino supply ri ka directly about through Fishery Department ano jemon central ni CEO tongo o CEO songne order by no chini committee body no kaham kai communication khai oi aro directly Fishery Department no handling khai ka Fishery Department no handling khai mani pore borong no kaham kai jugujug khai liya adino video footage onrong nu kana abo kaham kai todon tong nani ongthong ani elaka o kuno durniti ngi mangla apne songbo apne ni media ni tino abo focus angka aboni pore sate sate ang todonto nakha thangkha thangmoni pore je sijakha je o ponaro fish lingaro abo direct Fishery Department riman bagai Fishery Department purani aro totally false mane failure bolte korom sorani pona tuwi borok 10 ta tunan tongmani hor 6 ta tuipika tuipe mane pore tamongka orochini beneficiaries entire Komala Chora bochu jara fishery pond holder no 66000 Ponar dan bagaisu order borok order rik rimani pore tamongkha aro prai 33000 hai bebak thi thangka thangmani pore olo ang khobor maka media ni bisingti olo officer rok bai salai chini ani PI ba WDTM Water Set Development Team members rok bai salai mani pore ang saka ani komla chorawo jeti angmani abo review taisa pona marnai hai ingke aboni bisingti salai mani bisingti public khub dongai onek rokom aro sajai yangkha ongmani pore public ro bai haina hai ang communication khai along with department concern khai tini purnorai tini 11 tarik শুক্রবার জুলাই 2025 পুনরায় তিনি আনি কমলাছড়া এলাকাও kaham pona distribution khairika aun bagai ang tini orosanani muchungo ang to puilan semi saw tabu saw age saw kuno kichu kisa golti ongai mano breakup ongai mano mane kisa communication ge ong mano amo kintu je Joydeep Das abong khe kaisa chini project ni engineer ge project ni engineer under the water set ba IWMP ge boni to asuk authority kre ririkha oinor officer direct fishery wo even check borang di baika